So Sunday the 3rd, about 3 o'clock, I was out bidding all morning and I looked at a tree for the cousin of a friend and it was backyard oak, 50 plus DBH over a detached garage, house, fence. It's like, I can't do this right now. You know, maybe in the winter time when I've got a little more free time to devote to it, but anyway, I got 2 small jobs that I can go finish up today. Either way, I'm gonna want my big saw, so let's get it fixed. I got another 260 that a buddy gave me that I probably won't be rebuilding soon, so I'm just gonna steal from this thing. Breaking it too, jeez. I forgot to put in my last vlog, but I came home from work one day this week. My mom asked if I'd watch the security cameras to see who it was that egged their vehicle. So yeah, these stupid shits live about 50 feet away from us. Really? Dumbasses. Humans. Wow, he did a whole lot by himself. Can't imagine how long it took him with a MS-390. I mean, it's still a good sized saw, but still, that was big wood. Alright, I think it's time to dull some chains. Alright. Next job here is a good sized dead stem. Since I bought this truck, it's had a surge at idle and even at lower RPMs. Of course, it's not going to do it right there for me. I read up on it. Pretty much everything says I need a new fuel pressure regulator, but there's always been something that came up that prevented me from putting it in. I ordered one and got it in yesterday. Let's see if I can get it in tonight, but I believe it's like a 4-hour job, which, not being a mechanic, probably means it's an 8-hour job for me. So, Wednesday, June 6th. Didn't get to the fuel pressure regulator on the truck yesterday and not getting to it tonight. So just doing piddly stuff in the garage. Got started on these bars last night. Grabbing a shirt to come work out here, and I grabbed this one. Made me think of some college stories. So I didn't go to school till after I was out of the Navy. So I was older than everybody. And already being antisocial, I didn't really fit in or anything. Being in the Navy, for the longest time in the Navy, I lived on the ship, which sucks. You know, just think about any time you have to do laundry, having to carry all your laundry a freaking half-mile to your vehicle, going to the laundromat, doing it, and then carrying it a half-mile back to your ship. So I was tired of moving. So at Missouri State, online I read that the Hammonds dorm is open year-round. Like, all right, I'll live there. I started actually in the winter. I went to school pretty much year-round. At the end of the semesters, they would do a 2-week class, and then the summer session, and then another 2-week class, and then the next semester. So I was there the whole time. Didn't really take any breaks for 2 years. But at the end of my first semester there, I was on the 7th floor of the Hammonds dorm, and they said, we need you to move to the Hutchins dorm, which is like connected by the cafeteria. But I was like, wait a second. The whole reason I moved in here is because you're open year round. And they said, yeah, we're open year round, but not to the students. We got like high school camps and shit that move in. So I was pissed. So they wanted me to move to the Hutchins for like the 2-week class. They moved like 3 blocks away. I didn't have a vehicle either. To some other fucking dorm tower for summer, and then moved back for freaking spring. So I was pretty furious. All right, side note, 7th floor of Hammonds, and when I went into Hutchins, I was on the 1st floor. And I didn't really think about that. One day, in between classes, I went back to the dorm room and, you know, rubbed one out in the middle of the day, whatever, no big deal. You know, I stand up, give it a little stretch, and I'm like, oh shit, there's a bunch of people outside looking at me right now. Yeah, that was kind of awkward. I like grabbed my shit and left thinking, you know, somebody called the cops on me. Oops. So anyway, I'm all settled in for my 2 weeks at Hutchins, sitting there one night, and the fire alarm goes off, and I'm just like, oh, of course it's another freaking drill, because they run drills all the goddamn time. I don't even bother leaving, I'm just staying there. And later on that evening, I ordered a pizza. So I go out to the lobby to get my pizza, and the person at the lobby desk is like, can I help you, sir? I was like, no, just grab my pizza. She was like, sir, we had a fire. The building's been evacuated. I was like, oh, well, I don't see any fire trucks, so I guess it's out. No biggie. She's like, sir, it's been evacuated. You need to leave. Right by that time my pizza got there, so I grabbed my pizza and said, no. Went back to my room. Fuck it. So, of course, they showed up at my door, like, you know, 5 minutes later. Like, sir, there was an electrical fire in the boiler room. We need you to leave. I was like, listen, I was a fire marshal in the Navy. I'm on the 1st floor. Believe me. If I need to, I can get the fuck out of here. They're like, sir, we need you to leave. Started eating my pizza. I was already pissed off for having to freaking move there in the first place. So anyway, you know, 15 minutes goes by. Campus security shows up. Sir, we need you to leave. Building's been evacuated. I was like, no, I'm good, man. I don't need any hot water, so, you know, you're wasting your breath. You know, they argued with me for a little bit. I said, listen, I'm not freaking leaving. I said, sir, if you don't leave, we're going to call the cops. I'm like, all right, fine, call the cops. So I'm sitting there eating my pizza, and I'm like timing it. It's like, they probably called the cops maybe 10, 15 minutes ago. And so, about the 15-minute mark, I get up and I go and start taking a shower. Sure enough, I hear a bang on the door, and I'm just sitting there taking my shower. And then I hear like the outer door open, and then I hear the bathroom door open. And the people walk into the bathroom, and they just like throw open the shower curtain, and there I am, butt-ass naked, in nothing but cold water, so I felt like George Costanza. I was in the pool! I looked at him like, can I help you? Oh, sir, you need to finish up in the shower and come out here. I was like, all right, I'll be done in the shower in a minute. So of course I got out of the shower, went out there, and I didn't really feel like getting arrested, so I left at that point. But I guess filing the paperwork and all that shit took like months. So it wasn't until like the fall semester, months later, that they actually like called me down and said, oh yeah, you're no longer allowed in the dorms. Like, all right, I guess I'll get a place. Made a friend in one of my classes. He's the one that got me playing handball up there. So we got a place together, and he was prior service, like Air Rescue Air Force. And we got all drunk one night, and he's like, man, I feel like an asshole, but I lied about all that shit in the military. I was never in. I was like, are you fucking serious? It's humans for you. Yeah. Anyway, thought I'd share those stories. Those were fun times. How old do you think that bar is? Made in West Germany. I mean, I figured the bars have been sitting on that shelf for a while. I didn't think that long, though. Take a little break from the bars, brought home my work, so I'll just go give it a little TLC. Some may say that I'm going a bit overboard and there's no benefit to rubbing it down with alcohol, but there's an incredible benefit. It makes me happy. So it's well worth it. Another day That's what came out of the bar grooves. Kind of just lost all my motivation. Don't think I'm going to get to that splice tonight. Have a good one, humans.